Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So we're starting with sums based on current electricity. I hope you all have done the theory. Theory has to be done properly of this from word to word from the digest or government textbook because a lot of theory questions are asked. Okay. Some part is omitted from the government textbook from the portion this year. So I'll not be doing that in your HSC part. I'll be covering that in your JE part when I'll do the JE synopsis. I'll be doing that. Okay. Like your question number 17. Question number 17 is omitted from the government textbook this year portion due to COVID. But I'll do the formula. You can remember the formula. And we'll be deriving all the formulas and everything when I'll do the NEET and the JE. Correct, na beta? Okay, those who want to remember, those who want to do, they can do. I'm starting with the sum. This is omitted from the portion. But again, we are doing it. The magnitude of current density is, okay, current density means, this is again, I'm telling you, this is omitted from the portion. We're just doing it for the sake. Current density means J, which is current per unit area. And it is given as 500 ampere per centimeter square. Can I write this as 500 ampere per centimeter square is 10 is to minus 4 meter square? Can I convert this? I can, what will be the conversion? 500 into 10 is to 4 ampere per meter square. इसको बोलते हैं current density, current per unit area. If the number of electrons per centimeter cube, so number of electrons per unit volume is how much? 8.47 into 10 raised to 22. It is per cm cube. So 8.47. Please mute yourself, whoever it is. .47 into 10 raised to 22. cm cube means 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube. 8.47 into 10 raised to 28 per meter cube. करेक्ट है? हेलो, इसको लिखते हैं स्मॉल एन. कभी कभी इसको बोलते हैं नंबर डेंसिटी. Okay, I'll explain the whole concept of this thing in your synopsis. Don't worry. क्या पूछ रहा है? Calculate the drift velocity. Drift velocity का formula is J by NE. What is the formula, beta? VD is J by NE. So what is J? 500 into 10 is to 4. Number of electrons is 8.47 into 10 is to 28. And E is 1.6 into 10 is to minus 19. So VD will become 500 into 10 is to 4 into 10 is to 19 minus 28. 8.47 into 1.6. So if I separate the numbers, will become 500 by 8.47 into 1.6 into 10 is to 4 plus 19 minus 28. Correct? Hello? Yes or no? You solve this bracket, you will get 3.69 and this will be 10 is to minus 4. This whole thing, meter per second. Meter per second. So this you all remember right now. Okay. This year's, it is out of syllabus. It is out of syllabus for this year only. Yeah. So I'm not doing the theory. Why waste the time behind the theory and everything? Okay. But it is there in your JE and your what, sir? So I'll be during that time, I'll be doing it. ठीक है? Hello. What formula did we remember? VD is equal to J by NE. Can you all hear me?
Yes, sir.
VD is J by NE. Right now you learn by heart. Okay. VD को क्या बोलते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं इसको VD को? What is it called as, man? Drift velocity.
Drift velocity.
J is called as current density. Current per unit area. इसको बोलते हैं number density. And E is the charge of one electron. ना? Charge of electron. याद रखो ये. Okay. Most of the people may be knowing current. Do it properly for this Friday. And question number 30 पर आता है, which is again the GTB sum, government textbook question. चलो आप मुझे बताओ, the heating element contains this much voltage of, कितना potential difference है? 230 volt. current कितना है? कितना है बाबा? 5 ampere. Determine the heat dissipated in how much time? कितना time?
1 hour.
That is 3600 seconds. बोलो. And conversion from joule to calorie is also given, that is 4.2 joule per calorie. Okay. In school, have you done formula for heat?
H is equal to I square RT.
I square RT. But according to the data, do you have
IT.
R? Yes.
VIT.
VIT. It is power into time. Na? याद है ये? Heat is power into time. अच्छा, power का formula मालूम है ना? VI. Hello. So it will become VIT. V कितना है? 230. करंट कितना है? 5. T कितना है? 3600. कोई बता सकता है ये आंसर किस में आएगा? This whole answer will come in what?
Joules.
But हमको conversion factor दिया है from joule to calorie. Okay, so what to do? You know, from whenever you want to go from joule to calorie, always remember this is a big unit and this is a small unit. Yes or no? This is a big unit, huh? This is a big unit and this is a small unit. So whenever you are going from joule to calorie, divide by 4.2. And whenever you are going from calorie to joule, multiply by 4.2. Hello? Hello? I'll give you one example. Chalo. You're going from rupees to dollar. Hello? सही है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो आपको क्या करना है? What is the dollar का rate going on? I don't know. Suppose 80 rupees है, तो you will divide by 80 ना? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And अगर डॉलर से रुपीस में जाना है तो क्या करना है? तो which is a big
Multiply
currency?
by
Which is big currency?
dollar.
It's a little small currency. बराबर है क्या? यही
Yes,
चीज
sir.
इधर एप्लीकेबल है. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? हेलो? Hey man, understood?
Yes, sir.
तो इधर क्या करेंगे? कैलोरी में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या करेंगे?
Divide by 4.2.
Yes, याद रखना ये चीज का. So this will divide by 4.2 and the answer will be in what, sir? Calorie. इसको convert कर लो. You will get 985.7 into 10 raised to 3 calorie. Did you all understand what's happening? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Anyone has some doubt? I don't think so. ये conversion समझ में आ गया? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This conversion is important. इसके बिना काम नहीं चलेगा. Okay. Now we come to question number 39. It is based on color codes. Do you know color codes, beta? Hello. Color codes आपको आते हैं? I have done color codes, right? Hello. What was the color codes? Can anyone tell me what is the color code? Yeah. Please help me out. Have I done color codes? Yes. What is it? BB Roy of Great Britain. Hello. याद आ रहा है? अरे बाबा, tell me. Don't keep silent, please. ये है, किया था ना हमने वीडियो में?
Yes, sir.
BB Roy, Great Britain. Very good wife. What is happening here? पहला कौन सा कलर आता है? Black. Then brown. Then which color?
Red,
Red. Then
orange,
green,
what? BB Roy. Roy है ना? तो कौन सा कलर आएगा?
yellow,
हेलो, फिर ग्रेट ब्रिटेन. फिर कौन कौन सा कलर आएगा? ब्लू, वायलेट. या कम ऑन प्लीज.
Gray,
ग्रे. एंड
white,
then gold, silver and no color. Then there will be no color. बराबर क्या? सही है? चलो, इसका वो क्या रहेगा? फर्स्ट डिजिट क्या रहेगा? फर्स्ट डिजिट it starts from where? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. इसके पास कुछ नहीं होता है, ये तीनों के पास. सेकेंड डिजिट क्या रहेगा? हेलो, सेकेंड डिजिट विल ऑल्सो बी द सेम. बराबर है क्या? बिकॉज देर आर 4 strips now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this will be the first digit, this will be the second digit, this will represent what? The kya? Multiplier. And this will represent what? The tolerance. Have you all seen the video or not? Kya? Hello, can anyone tell me what will be the multiplier over here? इसका multiplier क्या रहेगा? 10 is to 0, 10 is to 1, 10 is to 2, 10 3, 10 is to 4, 10 is to 5, 10 is to 6, 10 is to 7, 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 9. and यहाँ पर और 2 आएगा, 10 is to -1 and 10 is to -1. नो कलर में कुछ नहीं होगा. and tolerance में the last 3 are, this is 5 plus minus 5%, plus minus 10% and plus minus 20%. getting enough? and कभी कभी black and brown में they write plus minus 1% also and plus minus 2%. ये हमेशा नहीं लिखते हैं, but कभी कभी लिख लेते हैं. ठीक है, चलो start with this sum. find the value of the resistance. चलो, कौन से कलर्स है? बोलो. ब्लू,
and green.
green, red, gold. So first color will represent first digit. What is the digit of blue?
6,
6. Second color will represent the digit only, second digit. So what is the digit of green?
5,
5. The third color will represent the multiplier. What is the multiplier of red?
10 raised to 2,
10 is to 2. And what is the tolerance? Last color will represent the tolerance of gold. Gold का tolerance कितना है?
Plus
Hello?
5%.
Plus minus 5%. Can I say the resistance will be 65 into 10 raised to 2 plus minus 5% ohms? हेलो, क्या मैं इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकता हूँ 6500? हेलो हेलो, yes or
Yes.
no? 6500, 6500 plus minus what, sir? Got it?
Yes, sir.
That is shameless.
Okay, listen over here now. Pay attention. Now, can you all tell me about the fifth one? We'll do yellow, violet, brown, and silver. Come on, tell me. What is yellow? First digit, yellow.
Four.
Fast. 4. Violet, come
7.
on. Violet is 7. Brown,
10 raised to 1.
very good. And silver,
Plus minus 10%.
10%. So the resistance will be how much? Fast on, please.
28 plus minus 10%.
47. 47.
47 plus minus 10%.
47 into 10 raised to 1 plus minus 10%. Can I write this as 470 plus minus 10% ohms? Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So it'll be that case. Okay, now we are doing ulta. They have given you 330, 100, 47 kilo ohms and 161 kilo ohm. So I'll pick up two numbers. That is, one is second one. Getting it? So we are going opposite. They are asking you the colors for that thing. So in the second one, can I say the resistance is what? 100. Hello? Are you all there? तो 100 को कैसे लिखेंगे? 100. अच्छा, टॉलरेंस कितना दिया है बेटा? हेलो? प्लस माइनस हाउ मच?
10%.
10% ohms. Can anyone tell me how much is the first digit?
1.
I'll write over here. First digit, second digit, multiplier, tolerance. First digit is 1, second digit 0. Multiplier will be 10 raised to 1 and tolerance will be plus minus 10%. Which color represents first digit?
Brown.
No, brown, yes. First is black, second is brown, yes. 0 represents what?
Black.
Black. Multiplier is 10 raised to 1. Come on.
Brown.
Brown only, because 1 है तो ये 10 raised to 1 हो जाएगा. And tolerance is 10%. 10% is always for what?
Silver.
Silver. So the color codes will be black, brown, silver. Getting it? In this case. Okay, I'll do the fourth. Or we'll do the third one. That is okay. Fourth kar lete hain. Chalo 160. So resistance is 160 plus minus 10% ohms. So first digit, second digit, multiplier, and tolerance. What is the first digit? 1. Second digit? 6. 10 raised to 1. Tolerance is plus minus 10%. Come on, help me out. 1 कौन है? First digit में?
Brown.
जल्दी. Brown. Second digit? 6 में कौन है?
Blue.
Blue होता है. Multiplier is brown.
Brown.
And 10% will always represent what, sir? Silver. बाकी 2 का you all can do. Got it now, beta? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, fine with it. Fiftieth question, 50. What is the resistance of one of the rails tracks? 2 kilometer long, 20 kilometer long. So how much is the length? 20 kilometer. Kilometer means 10 raised to 3 meters long. At how much initial temperature is how much, beta? 20 degrees Celsius. Hello. The cross-sectional area of the rails is 25 cm square. Cm square means 10 raised to minus 4 meters square. And the resistivity rho is given as 6 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. I want to find the resistance. Do you remember the formula for R? Hello. If you remember, R is rho L by A. सुना है क्या? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What does R stand for?
Resistance.
Resistance. Rho stands for resistivity. L stands for length. A stands for cross-sectional area, or area of cross-section. ये याद रखना is very important formula. तो यहाँ से R will become equal to rho L by A. Rho is given as 6 into 10 is to minus 8. L is given as 20 into 10 is to 3. 25 into 10 is to minus 4. ये हो जाएगा 5 4s are 5 5s are 6 4s are 24 by 5 into 10 is to minus 8 plus 3 plus 4. 24 by 5 into 10 is to minus 1. Getting it? So this will become 4.8 into 10 is to minus 1. That is 0.48. What unit of that is ohms? Na? Hello? Hello? Yes or no? So this is nothing but the total resistance of the rails, which is there. What is the formula? R is rho L by A. R is rho L by A. Okay, so remember all these basic formulas which come in the HSC examination. Very easy it is. Next question. Question number 60. Okay. A silver wire of resistance. Initial resistance कितना है? Hello? 4.2 ohms. How much is the initial temperature? 27 degrees Celsius. But you have to convert it into Kelvin. So it will become 27 plus 273. That will be 300 Kelvin. Hello, are you all there? And
Yes,
how much
sir.
is the resistance? R2, 5.4 ohms. And T2 is going to become 100 degrees Celsius. Plus 273 will become 373 Kelvin. Determine the temperature coefficient of resistance alpha. अच्छा याद है आपको अल्फा का डेफिनेशन? टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस इज डिफाइंड एज द रेशियो ऑफ चेंज इन रेजिस्टेंस पर यूनिट ओरिजिनल रेजिस्टेंस पर डिग्री राइज इन टेम्परेचर। हेलो, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? क्या बोलते हैं इसको? टेम्परेचर। व्हाट सर? कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस। इस चीज को बोलते हैं चेंज इन रेजिस्टेंस। This will be original resistance. And this is what? Rise in temperature. Hello. So I need alpha. Change in resistance will become R2 minus R1. That is 5.4 minus 4.2. Original resistance is 4.2. And rise in temperature will become 373 minus 300. Always expressed in Kelvin. Huh? Always in Kelvin. It will not do. So it will become, कितना हो जाएगा बेटा ये? ऊपर का 1.2 करेंगे ना? 4.2 73 12 42 73 2 by 7 into 73. This answer will come 3.9 into 10 raised to minus 3 per degree Celsius. यूनिट इसका क्या रहेगा? पर डिग्री सेल्सियस। वाई पर डिग्री सेल्सियस? देखो ये भी ओम्स में है, दिस इज ऑल्सो इन ओम्स एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो ओम्स ना। ओम्स एंड ओम्स विल कैंसिल, बचेगा इसका डिग्री। दिस इज डिग्री सेल्सियस बट इट इज देयर इन द डिनोमिनेटर, सो विल बी पर डिग्री सेल्सियस। हेलो, गेटिंग इट?
Yes.
तो याद रखना ये सब चीजें। दिस इज, इसको कहते हैं टेम्परेचर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ resistance. Temperature coefficient of resistance. Fine. We'll go to the next sum, that is 72. A battery of, after a long use of EMF 24 volt, internal resistance 380 ohms. Calculate the maximum current drawn. Can this battery drive the starting of the motor? Okay. Remember this formula, E is equal to I into capital R plus small r. याद है क्या? Hello. What does E stand for? EMF. What does I stand for? Come on. What does R stand for? External resistance. What does small r stand for? Internal resistance. So I will become E upon R plus R. Whenever they talk about maximum current, matlab this has to be maximum. So can I say the denominator has to become minimum? But छोटा r तो कभी भी zero नहीं हो सकता. This can never be zero. So can I take बड़ा r as zero? Hello, did you understand? Because we want to make the denominator minimum because the numerator has to be maximum. So I will become, maximum will become E by small r. Paper I'll make very tough this time. You need to study current, electricity and come for the exam on Friday. And paper will be time bound. What is E? What is E given?
24 volt.
24. R कितना है? 380. इसका आंसर आपको आएगा 0.06 एम्पियर. Can I say, is this a very large current or a very small current generally?
Small.
This number is very small. Number is small. Can I use this to drive the starting of the motor? No, no. Can I say a very high current is required to start a car? In amperes we require. We don't require. This is very small beta. Okay. So answer will be no. Na? Can this be used to drive the starting of the motor? No, it cannot, because this current is very, 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 very small. It is maximum current for this battery, but it is very, very small. तो ये बैटरी काम नहीं करेगा. आपको बड़ा वाला बैटरी लगाना पड़ेगा. Yes or no, sir? Hello. Are you all there or not?
Yes, sir.
Next question. 73rd. I'm starting. 73rd. Listen to me. A battery of EMF. चलो help me out. Fast, fast, fast. Come on. Battery of EMF. ये क्या दिया हुआ है? जल्दी बोलो.
12 volt.
E is given as 12. Internal resistance small r is given as 3 ohms. Current in the circuit is 0.5 ampere. Calculate the resistance, मतलब external resistance they asking you. And the terminal potential difference. Terminal potential difference means V. Which formula will I use? Come on, fast. Fast, fast, fast. Which formula will I use to calculate capital R? अभी पीछे सिखाया मैंने.
I is equal to E upon R plus R.
Very good. E will become I into capital R plus small r. E कितना है? 12 है. I कितना है? 0.5. 0.5 को लिख सकते हैं half. Capital R plus small r is 3. So it will become 24. Minus 3 will become R. That is R will become what? 21 ohms. अच्छा V कहाँ से मिलेगा? What is Ohm's law? What is Ohm's law, man?
E equal to IR.
I is half of 21. 10.5 volt. Hello? Getting it or not?
Yes, sir.
$74. Pay attention to me. 3 resistors, 10, 20, and 30 are connected in series in the combination. Pay attention to me. Yeah? This is 10, 20, 30. This is R1, 10 ohms. R2, 20 ohms. R3, 30 ohms. Connected in series combination. Find the equivalent resistance. Come on, anyone help me out. What is the resistance in series ka formula?
R1 plus R2 plus R3.
Just add all of them. Come on, fast. What will be the resultant answer? 10 plus 20 plus 30. What will be the answer? 60 ohms. This is all okay. First part done. What is the second part telling you? When a series combination is connected across a 12 volt battery, neglecting value of internal resistance, small r over here is 0. Calculate the potential difference across each resistor. Means I need V1. But I need V2. And I need what, sir? V3. सबसे पहले, can you find the current in the whole circuit? Can anyone tell me what is the current in the circuit? चलो बताओ मेरे को. Fast.
5 ampere.
Can I apply V is equal to I into total R? V कितना है total? 12. I R कितना है total? 6. Current will become what? 12 by 60. That is 1 by 5 ampere. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Getting it now? Hello? Okay.
Yes,
Can
sir.
anyone tell me what is V1? Can I say it will be I into R1? V1 is I into R1. What is I?
1 by
1 by
5.
5 into R1 कितना 10 है, तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 2 volt. Getting it now? What is V2? I into R2. भाई यहाँ से V is IR ना, तो I into R1, I into R2, I into R3. I कितना है? 1 by 5. R2 कितना है? 20. तो ये हो जाएगा 4 volt. Similarly, what will be V3? I into R3. 1 by 5 into 30. ये कितना हो जाएगा? 6 volt. Getting it? Hello? Because according to Ohm's law, V will become I into respective R, na? So it will be I into R1, I into R2, I into R3. Hello? Yes or no? Tell me fast.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. $75. Two resistances, 1, 2 are connected in parallel combination. Pay attention. Huh? So first resistance is 1 kilo ohms. 2 kilo ohms. Can anyone tell me what is the resultant answer of this, both of them? What is the resistance in parallel ka formula?
1 over RP is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2.
Okay. 1 upon Rp is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So 1 upon R1 is 1. 1 upon R2 will become 2. So it will become 1 plus half is 3 by 2. But this is 1 upon Rp. So don't forget to take reciprocal, will become 2 by 3 kilo ohms. Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Fine. This is fine. Now they are telling you when the parallel combination is connected to 9-volt battery. Calculate the current through each resistance. तो यहाँ से I जाएगा. But this I will split into what, sir? I1 and I2. Hello? Hello? Acha, but you all know one thing over here, that in parallel, what remains same? In
Voltage.
parallel, voltage. Potential difference is 9. So can I say voltage potential difference across both of them will be 9 volt? चलेगा क्या?
Yes, sir.
Can I say the second part? Can I write V is equal to I into R? But V तो दोनों का सेम है. I को लिख सकते हैं I1 और R को लिख सकते हैं R1. V is 9. I1 I don't know. बेटा what is R1? 1 किलो ohms. हाँ, किलो मतलब 1000 हो जाएगा. सही है ना? बस यहाँ पे एम्पियर में मांगता है ना. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I1 will become 9. 10 is to 3 उधर जाके हो जाएगा 10 is to minus 3 ampere. This could also be written as 9 milliampere. बोलो. Hello. अच्छा, can anyone tell me how to find the 2 1? Can I say V will become I2 R2 because V is constant? V is 9. I2 don't know. What is R2? 2 kilo ohm. It will be 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 ampere as I2. So I2 is going to become 4.5 milliampere. Bolo.
Yes, sir.
So can anyone tell me how much is the net current? अरे भाई ये फाइंड करना है, ये नेट कितना रहेगा?
13.5.
I1 plus I2. So ये कितना हो जाएगा? दोनों का ऐड कर दो. 13.5 मिली एम्पियर. करेंगे ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are all sums generally in the GTB. Not more. So you need to study and look at the deleted portion and study properly. Hello. I'll getting enough. Rest all the portion I'll be teaching you in the JE and the NEET synopsis. It is not there in HSC. So rather than revising over here, we'll be doing directly when we'll be solving DC Pandey. Getting it? Hello.
Yes,
Chalo,
yeah.
एक last sum I'll give it to you and then we can wind up. Okay. So suppose there is a question that is 4 ohms and this is 4 ohms. This is 1 ohm. This is 6 ohms. And this is also beta 6 ohms. And they are connected to a battery of 14 volt. His internal resistance of the battery is 1 ohm. This is small r. Can anyone tell me what is the equivalent resistance of the whole circuit? सबसे पहला,
7.
what has to be done?
Find the parallel resistances.
So these two are in what, sir?
Parallel.
Parallel. Always remember, I'll teach you a shortcut. Whenever two same numbers are in parallel, the number becomes half. The number becomes half. So what is 4 parallel 4?
2,
2. What is 6 parallel 6?
3.
3. Yeah, so you can apply the direct formula, na? You know the direct formula shortcut?
R1
Hello?
R2 by R1 plus
R1 plus
हाँ. You know RP will become R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. So it is 4 into 4 upon 4 plus 4. That is 16 by 8 will become 2 ohms. दिख रहा है क्या? हेलो? अच्छा वैसे ही ये करेंगे तो Come on, help me out fast. ये आंसर कितना हो जाएगा इसका? हेलो कितना हो जाएगा इसका आंसर? 3 ohms. 3 ohms ना 6 parallel 6 is 3 ना बेटा? Can I make this circuit as 2 1 3 14 volt? This will be 1 ohms. So how much is the net resistance? They all are in series na now. So how much will be the equivalent resistance? 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1. 7 ohms. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Equivalent resistance of the whole combination, including the internal resistance, will become this. Achha, if I ask you what is the current in the circuit, which formula will you apply? Hello?
R by V.
E net by R net. You can do this also. बराबर है क्या? R plus R is R net. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
14 by 7 will become how many ampere beta?
2.
2 ampere. Can I say this 2 ampere is going to flow this way? Hello? Yes or no? Achha, if I ask you what is the voltage across each? Last question, then we'll finish. क्या पूछा है voltage across each? अच्छा voltage across each मतलब इसका voltage, इसका voltage and इसका voltage. फिर हम लोग बाद में देखेंगे क्या करना है. अच्छा, how to find V1 V2 V3? हेलो, यहाँ पे कितना करंट जाने वाला है?
2
अरे
amp.
कम ऑन यार, 2 एम्पियर. तो यहाँ का वोल्टेज कितना रहेगा? IR ना, I कितना है उसका? 2. R कितना है उसका?
2.
2. तो कितना हो जाएगा?
4 volt.
इसका वोल्टेज कितना रहेगा?
2 volt.
1 into 2, that is 2 volt. Are you all understanding what is happening? IR ना, and इसका IR कितना रहेगा?
6 volt.
6 volt. बराबर है. V is equal to IR. सही है. अच्छा, can I carry this forward behind? Because actual circuit ये थोड़ी है. Actual circuit तो yellow वाला है. बराबर है क्या? हेलो, प्लीज आंसर. Can I say जो 2 बना है ना, ये जो 2 बना है वो इससे बना है, इन दोनों से बना है. एंड ये दोनों किस में है? पैरेलल में है क्या सीरीज में है? अरे बाबा, ये दोनों किस में है?
Parallel.
पैरेलल. कैन आई से पैरेलल में वोल्टेज रिमेन्स सेम? सही.
Yes.
व्हाट इज द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस 1 ओम? 2 वोल्ट. एंड ये 3 बना किससे? ये जो 3 है वो 3 ओम्स बना किससे? 6
6
पैरेलल
ohm.
6 है. कैन आई से दिस विल बी 6 वोल्ट. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, इसके अक्रॉस वोल्टेज कितना रहेगा? IR ना. I कितना है? 2. और R कितना है? ये 1 है. So it will become 2 volt ना. That means can I say the internal voltage drop is 2 volt? Because that is internal resistance, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hope you all have understood this kind of question. This is not means generally these kind of sums are only asked on the boards, that is 11 standard and 12 standard. So scoring becomes very, very easy. but I am telling you, I'll be setting a difficult paper. So please study properly. Whatever is there in the portion, don't study the deleted portion. The deleted portion will be done when I'll be doing the respective JE and the NEET. Okay. Chalo. Thank you very much. Bye. Okay. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.